and welcome to my new series, Will It Microwave, where we microwave things to see what happens. So this is episode 1. We will be microwaving, getting close, Ferrero Rocher wrappers. They're foil, bit of paper, a little bit of chocolate and nuts left in there maybe. Here we've got the Anko 50 Hertz 700 watt microwave. It's from Kmart, made in China. For anyone interested in the specs, it's 230, 240 volts at 50 Hertz, 2450 megahertz frequency. So pretty bad. Let's put it in there. So I think we'll put this in there for 30 to start off with. Yeah, we'll go 30. Getting close.
That's some pretty out there, brother.
Thank you for watching this episode of Will It Microwave. Be sure to tune in next time for more excitement.